Hello strangers, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do the attachment of tempered glass to my phone. This is just a DIY and I'll show you. This is also my first time. I'll show you and let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, the things I have here is just this one is a gadget cleaner. You can just buy this from the store. It's also called gadget cleaner. Gadget. I just transferred this into a bottle, spray bottle, so that it will be easier to use. And then I got this one, this cloth. It's a microfiber cloth. This one is used like for glasses like this for cleaning. And then obviously your phone. Let's see the damaged part of this phone. I think on this side, I hope you can see clearly. That one. Let's see some more. Oops. This one. Okay, this side. Focus. Okay. And the special part, the important of them all is this, the screen protector. I guess this is called tempered glass because it's obviously glass. This one, I bought this from a Japan store for 88 pesos only. Okay. And then everything written here is, obviously I can't read it. I can't understand I think it's in Japanese character. Okay, let's just move on this side. This is all I can read, I think. Screen protector. And when choosing this one, you have to check the phone type, like what kind of phone do you have, what model, so that it will fit your phone. That's obvious, right? And then here are instructions at the back side. Let's see if it focuses. Okay, let's start it this way. Let's remove the old one. As you can see, it's not that damaged, but it needs changing. Cracks in here. I hope you can see, like, there's a crack in this side, like going there, and here, and the edge part, and then this one. By the way, my phone is iPhone 6 Plus, so my screen protector matches it, 6S Plus. Okay, so the first step, you have to turn off your phone. Okay. Then next, you have to detach the old one. Yeah, you have to detach from your old one, dude. To this strange thing. I want you to hear this sound. See? Ew. Ooh. Wow. This is the old one. See? It's broken already. You can see it this time, I think. Here. but it's not that heavily damaged. Okay, let's draw that one. So this part is the cleaning part, the gadget cleaner. Just spray this one, because the usual thing they do in the store is that they got the wet wipes. I mean, they have the wet and dry wipes, so they do it first with the wet ones. So we'll do it this way, on our way. Okay, wipe it, clean it. Just include the back portion. In the mall, you can see they use some scotch tape. I forgot to tell you that we need scotch tape for this. So that there will be no bubbles. Okay. I think I'm gonna wipe it again with the dry ones, like one last time. See. Done. One last scotch tape. Sometimes I do this in okay, perfect. Next step is the screen protector. In this pack, it only has this screen tempered glass. That's all they got. No other thing inside. So I'm gonna try this one. Let me read it first, okay? This sticker helps to remove the mask from the screen guard. So we have to detach this one. Okay, this one. Detach it. As you can see, the glass is separating from the plastic covering itself. Ooh. So it's time to attach it to your phone. Wait, I see a little dust. Let's clean it again. Perfect. And then, next thing you do is you attach it, oops, carefully. Boom. Don't judge me. Wait. Oops. I think it's done. Maybe. Did I? Boop, boop, boop. It's moving. Can you see that? Ooh. And then attach. Press it in, press gently. Whoa, I wasn't expecting that. It was so easy. Oh no, there's a little bubble. Okay. And it's done. Let me check. The fit is perfect. Let's see. You can see. Oh wait, let me focus it. Let's check from the edge. See? And then the middle part and the bottom, like the home screen. See, that's the purpose of turning it off, so that you can see clearly if there's a bubble or what. Perfect. And done. Hope you learned something from this video. Okay, I forgot to turn it on. Let's turn it on. Okay. This is the old one. The old one is this. See? And the new one is shining, shimmering, splendid. Okay. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. Bye.